2006 was reviewed. The Defense Procurement Manual, DPM, was reviewed as well, and the new DPM 2006 was promulgated. The policy of offset was for the first time brought about, enabling the country to leverage purchasing power of equipment, systems, subsystems, parts to be made in India. A new framework for US-India defense relationship was finalized, as well as a joint working group under the aegis of the India-US Policy Group was set up in his tenure. As director in the boards of defense undertakings, he was involved in the partial disinvestment of Bharat Electronics and BEML, which resulted in the companies being tested in the stock exchange. A little bit of information about our honorable chief guest, Sri Shekhar Datta. I would now like to request the President of Bangalore Suharto Sammilani, Sri Apurva Chaudhuri, to escort our chief guest and Madam to the dais. I would also like to request Mr. Dr. Chaudhuri and Mr. Purkayastha, senior citizens and respected citizens of this state, are also welcomed in the dais. মণ্ডিত হয় এই আশা নিয়ে অনুরোধ করছি মঞ্চে উপস্থিত অতিথিদের এগিয়ে এসে প্রদীপ প্রজ্বলন করতে। The lighting of the lamp to wish our small Suharto Sammilani a warm beginning and a long, long way to go. Address the gathering.
Honorable Governor of Chhattisgarh, Madam, at the very onset, I would like to welcome each and everyone present here to the 8th Foundation Day celebration of Suharto Sammilani, Bangalore. I would like to extend my heartiest gratitude to our Honorable Governor of Chhattisgarh for blessing us with his gracious presence and for taking out time for us from his busy schedule. He is also to attend our function is infectious and gives us a model book to continue such celebrations in future as well, which will help us to uplift our Sylhetic culture. I would also like to commend and acknowledge the efforts put in by all the members of the Suharto Sammilani of Bangalore, who has displayed a lot of enthusiasm, zeal and positive attitude to keeping the flag of Suharto Sammilani flying high. With regular cultural activities, some other activities with this association. I would also want to share a small dream that I was nursing for long, that is to build a building or a physical space in the name of Sri Sammelani at Bangalore to mark its presence and solidarity in Bangalore. The project was secret and initially success was seen by me. However, due to the minor gift on the documentation of our address, the present office of the Theatre Sammelani, proved to be previous office bearer of the Sammelani, this dream of mine is facing a roadblock and has been stopped. I would like to thank all the members of the Sammelani for the great support extended to me. However, I think it is the time now for me to step down from the post that anybody can come and take over. It's from the running of this society. I would also like to thank the government of Karnataka for providing us with this beautiful house and auditorium. Once again, I assure you all to this grand function, which would only mark another great year of success for Sri Sammelani of Bangalore, but also promises to be the cultural delight of Sylhet culture to us all tonight with the building of the great drama and cultural program lined up this evening day. Thank you very much. Sorry to go.
I would now like to request our chief guest to address the gathering. Thank you, sir.
Honorable President of the Srihatta Sammelani, Sri Apurva Chaudhary, Secretary of Srihatta Sammelani, Sri Rupendra Chakraborty, my wife Srimati Dr. Srimati Shushmita Datta, Sri G. Purokayastha, Sri Senior Member Srihatta Sammelani, Sri A. Dr. Chaudhary, Senior Member, Srimati Saroja Naidu. I deem it a great privilege and a moment of joy to be present here on the occasion of the Foundation Day of Srihatta Sylheti Association of Bangalore. Thank you very much for inviting me to join the Sylhetis in Bangalore and asking me to inaugurate the 7th annual day function. As you all know, this year's Srihatta Sammelani meet is not just another Srihatta Sammelani meet, which is the 7th anniversary of the Srihatta Sammelani. First of all, I pay my respects to the prominent personalities of Sylhet, like Sri Bipin Chandra Pal, the great freedom fighter, Dr. Sundari Mohan Das, founder of the National Medical College and Hospital, Sri Tarakishore Chaudhary, the famous saint, and many other revered sons of Sylhet. These esteemed persons worked selflessly for social upliftment of our society and welfare of our nation. Srihatta was the original name of Sylhet, a district of Bengal province. Srihatta or Sylhet district is wedged between Assam and Tripura. The area surrounded by the beautiful hills and forests on three sides, north, east and south. Sylhet also marked by vast interlinked water bodies in the basin, locally known as Hor. The Sylhet Basin is one of the three geographically distinguishable sub-regions of the vast Bengal Delta. There is also historical evidence from two Batera inscriptions of Govinda Keshava Deva and Ishana Deva that there was an independent Srihatta Rajya in the 12th century within which the entire Karimganj district along with a major portion of the Kachar plains were incorporated. Today the largest Srihatta Sylheti dominated city in India is Silchar with significant Sylheti speaking population in Agartala, Guwahati, Delhi, Mumbai, Shillong, Kolkata and Bangalore. And I must say that there is an even larger Sylheti population outside India and outside Bangladesh. All over Europe and especially in UK, you find different type of establishments which are owned by Sylhetis. In fact, the world of eateries is almost monopolized by the Sylhetis. Sylhetis are adventurous and have found their way all over the world. Srihatta Sammelani may be found wherever Sylhetis have based themselves. In India, the major cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Bangalore have formed Srihatta Sammelanis, and these associations help to bring their own people closer by maintaining cultural links. Srihatta Sammelani is an organization whose stated purpose is to bring together the Sylhetis of the world together in order to unite them in cultivating the Sylheti culture and tradition and provide humanitarian services, encourage high ethical standards in all vocations and help build goodwill and peace in the world. Sylheti Sammelani motto of service above self improves community bond both at home and abroad. It contributes towards humanitarian causes like caring for the poor and needy, works with the marginalized sections for social upliftment, and have a commendable record of service for humanity. The various Sammilanis have provided services to all those who need it without discrimination of the class, creed, status, religion and nationality. This is the true tradition of Sylheti culture. Today, the Sylheti people living in many lands and across distant seas acquire strength from the richness of their own cultural heritage. No doubt that the culture of Sylhet belongs to the great and immortal treasures of Indian civilization. Sylhetis are also found in the United Kingdom, USA and the rest of the world. Certain parts of the United Kingdom are heavily populated with people from Sylhet, most notably the east end of London. Another area where Sylhetis may be found as a large group abroad is New York City in the United States. Many Sylhetis have settled in Manhattan and Brooklyn. These areas have large numbers of restaurants managed mainly by Sylhetis. Unique culture of Sylhet is an important treasure of India. We have to continue this legacy and promote the rich culture of Sylhet. I am sure this institution will preserve and conserve the Sylheti culture. In fact, in the history of Bengali culture, a lot of contribution has been made by the Sylhetis, and I'm sure the people have been told about the various saints, including Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, whose domain was mostly in the Sylhet. In fact, my grandfather, Dr. Ramdal Das, was the um, Secretary General of the Abhibhajito Bongo Brahmo Samaj, and he was the Brahmo Samaj Secretary General of the Undivided Bengal. So facilities have played a major part in the bringing up of the, not only bringing up of the tradition, but also modernizing the Indian culture. During the past 7 years, you have done so much to contribute to the strength and continuity of this unique event. And I say thank you, well done, and please keep it up. I believe Sylheti Association, in keeping with glorious tradition of Srihatta, will continue to serve humanity for many more years to come. I must also remember and recognize another of very illustrious member of our family, my Mesho Moshai, Dr. Triguna Sen, who was the first Vice Chancellor of the first Technical University of India, and who's done enormously for making India a technologically and scientifically viable country. Once again, I congratulate all of you and wish you all the best of your lives. I declare the 7th annual day of Srihatta Sammelani Bangalore open and wish it every success. I would also suggest that all of us should try and ensure and see how the young children of who are the bearers of this glorious tradition get the best out of the scientific and technological era, the best out of the IT and the BT. IT is informatics side and the BT is biochemical side or biotechnology side of the Indian development. And our young population must get the benefit of the IT and the BT and emerge as very strong scientific and technical manpower of the country. I wish all of you all success in everything that you do. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inaugural address. It was very inspiring and flowing with the mood. We would like to request you to help us inaugurate the souvenir of Bangalore Srihatta Sammelani. I would like to request Nabarun, Sri Nabarun Pukasa, member. Thank you so much, sir. I would like you to request you all to be kindly seated. And also definitely go through the souvenir. Honorable sir, it would be a privilege if you could also hand over certain Srihatta Sammelani. The President of Bangalore Srihatta Sammelani will also assist you in this. I would like to request Sri Apurva Chaudhary to help call out the names. I would like to request our members to come on to the dais. First, I request Bishoto. Bishotosh Chakraborty. I would now like to request Nabarul Purkar. Thank you. I now request Molal Dash to come onto the stage. Thanks, sir. Rupenduda is already on stage, so I would like to request our secretary, Rupendu Chakraborty, to kindly receive the memento. Come onto the stage. Thank you, sir. Shubhika. I now request Diganta Bhattacharya to please come to the stage. Thank you. Now request Devraj to come onto the stage, please. Devraj. Yes. Thank you, sir. He is a very, very fresh member of this organization, and he's already taken a lot of initiatives to be part of the organization. I'd like to call on Sanjeev to please come on stage. Sanjeev Das. Another very, very new member, and he's already part of the cultural committee. I now request Shubhruto to come. Thank you, sir. Last. Sri Ashok Chakraborty is actually keeping the Sylheti culture alive through his mentor to our honored guests. We have a special request. Mrs. Saroja Naidu would like to receive the memento from our honored guest and Madam Guest. Thank you. We have also a special request from our president. He wants to give certain gifts on a personal level. Okay. To our other guests in the dais. Okay, our president wants to give a gift on his personal behalf to our honorable guest. Yes. Also, I have a list of names that he also wants to present for their special contribution for helping him with arranging these events. Rupenduda. So our president, Sri Apurva Chaudhary, wants to also gift on his personal, from his personal. Another recipient of this token of love is Vishutosh Chakraborty. I'd like to request Vishutosh Chakraborty to come to the stage. This is our president's token. Another recipient is Thank you, sir. Shipur Kayastha. And Mrs. Sharoja Naidu. Thank you so much, sir, for doing the honors. I would now like to request the President of the Bangalore Sri Haftesham Millennium into the auditorium and to the respective places.